Hello out there, all my crafty friends. So I'm so excited. I won Renee over at GTDesigns and Vintage Art Supplies. I won her one of her giveaways, which is this. It's this sweet little note she sent me. I won her giveaway. And I got it in the mail today. I'm so excited. She has a thorough flip through video of all of this on her channel. But not only is this just packed to the brim with so much funness and so many goodies, she sent me y'all. And I did open it up. She had it wrapped up. Renee, you wrapped that sucker up good. She had both packages wrapped up in an envelope, in a box, and very nice and pretty and everything. And so I opened this up, and I was going to wait, and I was going to kind of go through this. I'm not greatest at, like, opening and looking while I'm trying to do a video. You know, it's too much for me sometimes. And then I tried it before, and it just, I don't know, some really weird stuff, and it just came out really stupid. So I redid it when I did a swap video last time. But y'all, when I opened this up about how to fit, and I did not finish opening it, but these are some extra goodies. And Renee, you are so sweet to send this to me extra. So I got some things. I'm going to send you some things. This was just so generous of you, and I love you for it. It was so sweet, and I can't wait to use just a few things I've seen, and I haven't looked at it all yet. But she wrapped it up really nice, and she had this really cute ribbon. And these are some things that she's gathered for me for my book for my granddaughter. My granddaughter started horseback riding. I can't even talk, I'm so excited. She started horseback riding this past year, and I want to do her a book and document that. Look at this trim, y'all. Is that not the coolest thing? And it almost looks like a horse mane, which I love it, Renee. Oh my gosh. And then wait till you see this other stuff. So I'm going to open this in a minute, but this paper that she did me, is that not cool? And it looks like, I mean, it looks like wood. And I know you did that, Renee. You're going to have to tell me how you did that. But y'all, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is like a needlepoint. And it is amazing. And she's got goodies. She's got it wrapped with other goodies inside. And I just about had a heart attack, Renee. I don't know where you found this. And I mean, look at this. This is so cool. But I absolutely love this. This is amazing. So I got to figure out how I'm gonna use that. But I may actually scan this to use the image, but I may frame this. I may do some kind of window box or something, and maybe, or just frame it for Peyton. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, Renee, you're so sweet. You really are so generous. Y'all go check her out and send her some love, because she's amazing. Anyway, okay, I'm going to kind of go through this. She sent me this really cool cover. And I keep hitting my camera. I'm sorry, and I'm sorry for the glare, y'all. It's nighttime. My lighting in here is terrible. But I wanted to share this. So cool. And this paper, the Pony Express. Look at that. Where did you find these amazing things? I'm going to come go shopping with you, girl. And then look in here. She sent me all this embroidery thread. I will try not to hit my camera 500 times, y'all. I'm sorry. And this twine, really cool. This is going to be so much fun. Let's see what's in here. Look at that. That's a little patch. Look, it says Country Girl. And there's a little, look, you see the button? Can y'all see that? With the cow head on it. And look at that with the horse. Country Girl, I love that. Oh, hit my camera again. And then look, this spells cowgirl. Oh, there's an R in there. Cowgirl with the little Scrabble tiles. Love it. Tickets. And more tickets. Oh, little ribbons. Did you make those, Renee? Or did you make that? How sweet. So it came apart, but I can fix that. The tag. And of course, these are great. Love using those. Look at that. Oh, this is great. These are old. These are cool, Renee. This is all just amazing. You are so sweet. Love, love, love. Look at that. Is that not precious? That card. Okay, I'm a little overwhelmed. I mean, and not to mention I got this whole big flow journal over here that I've got. But it's just so generous. You know, you rock. You just rock, girlfriend. Look at these. Oh. And a popcorn bag. I love the little popcorn bags. Great Southwest. I've even collected a few things myself, but I don't have that much, so this is just going to be so much fun. It's on my project list, probably this summer. So I've got some other things. Look, Raggedy Ann. I love Raggedy Ann and Andy too. Cute. Look at that. There's the cowgirl right there. Love. Wow, I'll probably make more than one journal, Renee. These the good old boys. Book pages. That might be for when she gets a little bit older. Cute, cute. Another pop and more stuff. Renee, you just really outdid yourself. You did not have to. And this was supposed to be a kit that I was supposed to purchase from you, lady. And you sent me all this wonderful stuff. Justin Boots. Hee-haw. Hee-hee-haw-haw-haw. Do y'all remember that show? This is just awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Cool. There's stickers. Oh. I know, look at that horse. Isn't he cute? Oh, that's a paint chip. Huh? I gotta go back to the paint store. Love that barn. Cute rodeo roundup. It's just amazing. Oh, did I go through these already? Did you send me 2 sets of these? Or did I go through these? I think you sent me 2 sets of these. Did you mean to do that, Renee? On the little ticket thing. Or did I go through that twice, y'all? Anyway, I think you sent me 2, because I think I set those over here. Yeah, you sent me. Yeah, you did. Let me know if you didn't mean to send me both of those, sweetie. Because I can send them back to you for if you need them for another kit. Craft envelope. Animal life. Cool. This video might be a little long. I'm trying not to dwell over every, but I love it. I'm so excited and so overwhelmed by your generosity. Which I knew you were a sweetheart anyway. But this is just awesome. Awesome, amazing, incredible. All those. Oh, cool, and this has the different types of polo rodeos. Parts of a horse. See, that's cool. That's really cool. And you know, Peyton's just starting to learn. She's only 7, so she's just starting to learn. But I'm going to tell you, she's one brave little soul, because I didn't get on the horse till I was maybe, I don't know, 12 or 13. And then it was still a little scary till you get used to it. And I'm not so sure I'd get on one now. I'll go watch her ride. And, I'd probably get thrown off and break my neck or something. But goodbye, old paint. You find the coolest stuff. Empty cot in the bunkhouse tonight. Oh, well, the bum song. Let's hope that doesn't end up being her song, Renee. I'm just teasing. I don't think so. Can I sleep in your barn tonight, mister? I have to do a book for me in that one. For that one. Maybe I shouldn't put that in her book. Oh my gosh. That is too cool. From an old kid's book, I'm assuming. Look at that. I'm sorry if y'all can't see everything. I'm trying to. Oh, cool. Look at that. I love that. That's awesome. And turquoise. Turquoise is my favorite. I love it. Turquoise and silver. Blue jeans. Yep, that's me. That's cool. Oh, look, is that Audrey? That's Audrey Hepburn, I believe. How cool. Yep, that's her. Just awesome. Oh, I hadn't even gone into this. Look, the card in there that says the Alamo. And y'all are just gonna be sick from me hitting my camera. I'm sorry. A couple more minutes and I need to wrap this up. Look at all this. A vintage button there. And the rope, look how cool. And a little bell. And some little labels. Yeah, big, shine, wild, cool. And that's some cool ribbon. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Daggone it. Renee. Just amazing. Look at all this, y'all. Just amazing. Thank you so much again. Thank you. I'm just overwhelmed. Oh, it's just awesome. Just awesome. Thanks for watching, y'all. Y'all go check her out, really. Seriously, if you haven't been over to her, her site is GTDesigns. And she's got an Etsy shop.